Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Suzuki Connect app and signing in. Make sure your phone has cellular or Wi-Fi and GPS active so location data is visible. Once signed in, connect to the vehicle if required, either via Bluetooth pairing or by confirming the VIN in settings, so trip records populate. Then go straight to the main menu and select the trips or trip history entry. That puts you in the list view where you can see individual journeys and begin removal. You'll now choose which trips to remove. In the trip list, sort or use search to filter by date, distance, or duration so you don't delete the wrong entries. Once you see the target trips, long press an item to enable multi-select mode or tap checkboxes beside each trip. For single deletions, open the trip details and locate the delete option. After selecting, tap the trash or delete button and read the confirmation message carefully before you confirm removal. You finish by confirming the deletion prompt. Some versions request your app PIN or account password, so enter that to authorize removal. Once done, make sure to refresh the trip list or force a cloud sync so the change propagates to the server and your other devices. Finally, verify the trips no longer appear. If deleted entries reappear, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, or contact Suzuki support with your VIN and trip timestamps for assisted cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.